I have lots of fresh vegetables in the refrigerator, and tonight I'm making a yummy, spicy Thai Vegetable Panang Curry. I'm Tess, and come join me in my kitchen, and I will show you how to make this easy and delicious Thai dish. I love a good Thai curry, and this Thai Vegetable Panang Curry hits the spot. A great balance of creamy, salty, nutty, sweet, and heat. In my pan on medium heat, I'm adding in a little oil and the curry paste. This is the brand of Panang curry paste that I am using. There are different brands, but this is what my local Asian market offers. I am using the entire can, but you can add the amount that you like. The more you add, the spicier it will be. The coconut milk that we will be adding later really mellows out the heat. I'm cooking and stirring the curry paste for a minute or two to help bring out those oils. I'm also adding in 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, cooking and stirring for another 30 seconds or so. For the vegetables, I have 1 cup of diced onions, 2 large sliced carrots, and 2 stalks of sliced celery. If I have some spiciness in a stir fry, I like to add celery. It adds a nice burst of flavor with the heat. My heat is still on medium, and I'm cooking and stirring for a couple minutes or until the veggies are coated with that curry paste. I so wish you could smell this. It smells wonderful. I also have a half a cup of bell peppers that I found in the refrigerator, cooking and stirring for another minute. And just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this Thai Vegetable Panang Curry below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Now I'm turning up my heat and adding in 1.5 cups of water, or you can use vegetable stock, and 1 can of coconut milk, giving that a good stir. Adding in 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and 2 tablespoons of sugar to balance. I'm using raw sugar, but you can use granulated brown or palm sugar. Giving that a good stir, and now I'm adding in 1 good tablespoon of creamy peanut butter. This really adds a nice nuttiness. Stirring and simmering for 3 minutes. This is 1 can of rinsed and drained sliced water chestnuts. These add a lot of flavor and crunch. I also have 2 cups of quarter sliced zucchini. As you can see, this Thai Panang Curry is packed full of vegetables. Bringing this up to a simmer and cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes or until the zucchini and other veggies are tender. And we are almost done. I have 2 final touches that are going to give this dish a pop of flavor. I'm adding in the juice of half of a lime and half a cup of fresh Thai basil. Giving that another good stir, and it's ready. Serving tonight with steamed jasmine rice. You can also serve this with rice noodles. This curry is so flavorful with all the vegetables. I love Panang curry and all the wonderful background flavors of garlic, peanut butter, the saltiness and heat, the fresh Thai basil, and even the pop of lime. The coconut milk really blends everything together. There's so much flavor and very comforting. I hope you give this Thai Vegetable Panang Curry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!